Okay, good morning everyone. Today we start trigonometric identities part 4 and from question number 28, because in last video already uploaded question up to 27. So 28 number question is sin theta plus cos theta sec theta plus cosec theta is equals to 2 plus sec theta cosec theta. Clear? Okay. So first of all, sin theta plus cos theta, we write it down as it is and changing this one. In place of sec theta, we write down 1 upon cos theta, reciprocal relation, plus cosec theta. In place of cosec theta, we write down 1 upon sin theta, that is again reciprocal relation. Sin theta plus cos theta, taking LCM, cos theta sin theta, done. Cos theta cancel, sin theta into 1, it's sin theta plus sin theta cancel, cos theta into 1, it's cos theta, done. Sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta, in sin theta plus cos theta whole square upon cos theta sin theta. Clear? So sin theta plus cos theta whole square, it's a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, done, divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, write in the divisible form, that is 1 upon cos theta by sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. This one cancel. So 1 upon cos theta, that is sec theta, 1 upon sin theta cosec theta plus 2. See, your RHS is also that 2 plus sec theta cosec theta. Okay, so therefore LHS equals to RHS. Okay, note. Okay, it's time for question number 29. 1 sin cube a plus cos cube a upon sin a plus cos a plus sin cube a minus cos cube a upon sin a minus cos a, okay, is equals to 2. So see, your LHS portion, this one, and RHS you need to prove 2. Okay, so first of all, this is a cube plus b cube. We write down a cube b cube formula is a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square upon sin a plus cos a. See, I write only this portion, expand this portion. This is a cube, this is b cube. So a cube b cube formula is a cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and this one denominator portion write as simple as that. Okay, clear? Expand this one, plus this is a cube minus b cube, so it's a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square by sin a minus cos a. Clear? So this one cancel, and this one cancel. What we got? Sin square a minus sin a cos a plus cos square a plus sin square a प्लस साइन ए कॉस ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए, साइन ए कॉस ए, साइन ए कॉस ए, दिस इज माइनस साइन ए कॉस ए, दिस इज प्लस साइन ए कॉस ए, कैंसिल. So sin square 2 sin square a cos square plus cos square 2 cos square a. So taking common 2, what we get? Sin square a plus cos square a. So 2 sin square plus square is 1. So 2 1 ja 2. Done. Note. Question number 31. One plus 1 upon sec a plus tan a minus 1 upon cos a equals to 1 upon cos a minus 1 upon sec a minus tan a. Done. First of all, we change this all. See, because question is similar. See, 1 upon sec a plus tan a minus 1 upon cos a equals to 1 upon cos a minus 1 upon sec a minus tan a. Okay, so rearrange first of all. 1 plus 1 upon sec a plus tan a. This minus come this side is plus 1 plus sec a minus tan a is equals to 1 plus cos a. This minus goes this side, that is 1 plus cos a. Simple. Okay, then we prove both. Okay, that is sec a plus tan a, sec a minus tan a, that is sec a plus tan a, sec a minus tan a. Okay, sec a plus tan a, sec a plus tan a cancel. What we get? Sec a minus tan a into 1, it's sec a minus tan a plus sec a minus tan a, sec a minus tan a cancel. What we get? Sec a plus tan a, sec a plus tan a. So sec a plus tan a. Here is cos a taken LCM. What you get? 1 plus 1. Okay. So here minus tan a plus tan a cancel. What you get? Sec a plus sec a. 2 sec a. Okay. This is sec a plus tan a, sec a minus tan a. That is a square minus b square, because a plus b, a minus b. So sec square a minus tan square a equals to 2 upon cos a. Okay, so 2 sec a, sec square minus tan square equals to 1. We know that the formula. Okay, and here is 2 upon cos a is also 2 sec a. So you see that LHS equals to RHS proved. Clear? Note. Question number 31. If sin theta plus cos theta is equals to root 2, sin root 2 sin 90 minus theta, then show that cot theta equals to root 2 plus 1. Okay, read the question first of all. Sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 2 sin 90 minus theta, then you need to prove cot theta equals to root 2 plus 1. Okay, so sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 2 sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Clear? Okay, sin theta is equals to root 2 cos theta plus cos theta is minus cos theta. Sin theta equals to, taking common cos theta, what we get? Cos theta cancel, only root 2 minus cos theta cancel, it's 1. So sin theta when come this portion, that is what? Sin theta by cos theta equals to root 2 minus 1. Okay, that is tan theta sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta equals to root 2 minus 1. But we need to prove cot theta. When we write that is 1 upon cot theta, that is reciprocal relation, tan theta and cot theta reciprocal relation, this is also getting reciprocated. What? 1 upon root 2 minus m. Okay, just we reciprocate that. That is when you cot theta, right, tan theta reciprocal relation is cot theta is 1 upon root 2 minus 1, because we know that suppose tan theta equals to 3 by 4, so cot theta equals to what? 4 by 3 reciprocate, so we write down tan theta cot theta and this one reciprocate. Okay, denominator, rationalize the denominator, root 2 plus 1 root 2 plus 1, this is cot theta, so root 2 plus 1 into 1, it's root 2 plus 1 root 2 minus 1 root 2 plus 1, a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So root 2 plus 1 root 2 square is 2, root 2 square is 2 minus 1, so root 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, it's 1, so cot theta equals to root 2 plus 1. Clear? Note it down. Time for question number 33. See, if sec theta plus tan theta is equals to m, sec theta minus tan theta equals to n, prove that mn equals to 1. So first of all, see the proof, because after seeing the proving portion, then we start the sums. Here is written m into n, that is sec theta plus tan theta equals to m, and sec theta into minus tan theta equals to n. See, there is multiplication between them. So this is my equation 1 and this is equation 2. So first of all, we what? Multiplying the equation 1 and 2. So multiplying equation 1 and equation 2, that is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equals to m into n. That means this portion into this portion, this portion into this portion, multiply. Okay, so sec theta plus tan theta is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to m into n, that is mn, and you know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, so mn equals to 1. Proof. Done? Note. Question number 34. If x equals to a sec theta plus b tan theta, y equals to a tan theta plus b sec theta, prove x square minus y square equals to a square minus b square. See, first of all subtract, squaring and then subtracting. See, x square y square, so first of all we squaring equations and then subtracting, because we see the proving portion is like that. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, so squaring both sides. That is x square equals to a sec theta plus b tan theta, its whole square, and here is y square equals to a tan theta plus b sec theta whole square. Clear? Okay, open up. एक्स स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर सेक स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस बी स्क्वायर टेन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2ab sec theta tan theta. Clear? When open this side, y square equals to a square tan square theta plus b square sec square theta plus 2ab sec theta tan theta. Clear? So this is my equation related. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. So subtracting equation 1 and 2. When you subtract, that is x square minus y square, this portion into this portion is equals to a square sec square theta plus, this is open up, okay, a plus b whole square formula, b square tan square theta plus 2ab sec theta tan theta. Subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So after written this minus sign and this whole sign is changed, okay, a square tan square theta minus b square sec square theta minus 2ab sec theta tan theta. Clear? Again I repeat, subtracting equation 1 and 2, this is x square minus y square and this portion minus this portion. Okay, so you see that 2ab sec theta tan theta and 2ab sec theta tan theta, this is plus, this is minus, cancel. Okay, and take common, writing down x square and y square. Here it's a square sec square theta minus a square tan square theta plus b square tan square theta minus b square sec square theta. Okay, see, x square minus y square, common a square we get sec square theta minus tan square theta plus common b square we get tan square theta minus x square theta. ओके, या फिर आगे पीछे करके लिखते हैं माइनस बी स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस बी स्क्वायर टेन स्क्वायर थीटा. ओके, टेकिंग कॉमन माइनस बी स्क्वायर, सो वी गेट सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा. व्हाट यू डू, माइनस बी स्क्वायर थीटा सेक स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस बी स्क्वायर टेन स्क्वायर थीटा, taking minus b square theta, so sign getting changed. Okay, so x square minus y square equals to a square because sec square minus tan square theta is 1 minus b square because sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So a square theta into 1 is a square theta, b square theta into 1 it's b square theta. Okay, b square. So x square minus y square equals to a square minus b square proved. Note.